Hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. Swagbucks is the world's largest rewards giving website, and if you're looking for the information what is Swagbucks and how does it work and whether it is a worthwhile opportunity to invest your time, so in this video I am going to show you all this information. These are the things that I will cover in this video. What is Swagbucks, how to make money from it, how to convert your points, how much money you can make from it. I will give you an example here, and that is based on my experience that will help you to get an idea whether you can make tons of money or just it is an extra income and how much that income it is. Before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, all the digital marketing concepts, becoming an entrepreneur and other stuff. So if you wanted to get videos similar to this concept, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. If you wanted to make a full-time income, I have mentioned the link in the description box. That is my most recommended method, and this system will help you to earn a full-time income and leave 9 to 5 job. So let's get started. What is Swagbucks? Swagbucks is a rewards and loyalty based operator operated by Prodigy LLC and based in California. It was launched back in February 2008 by its co-founder Joseph Grovitz and Scott Dudelson. It has over 18 million members, and since its launch to date, it has awarded over $339 million to its members. It is the biggest reward site right now on the planet. How to make money from it? There are 3 steps you need to follow. Join Swagbucks for free. The second, earn points by doing different activities, and the third one is redeem your points for different options. Let's move to the Swagbucks. This is the Swagbucks website, and its address is www.swagbucks.com. If you wanted to join this system, then I have given the link in the description box. It is free to join, and the site has been featured on these popular platforms like BuzzFeed, Save the Children, The Penny Hoarder, ABC, The Huffington Post. Get free gift cards and cash for everyday things you do online. Here is how. Earn points, get free gift cards. The beauty of Swagbucks is that the things you are doing before for free, now you are doing here for the sake of money. Means you are doing the same things, but before you were not getting rewarded, but now you can earn money for doing things that were you doing before. They have paid over $339 million to its members. That's huge. Even if you look at some other popular reward sites, then they are, not even close to it. Just look at the example of Global Test Market, Future Points, Opinion Outpost, and there are, other websites out there. Let's look at how to earn free gift card with Swagbucks, or how to earn money from Swagbucks. But remember that any activity you will do in Swagbucks, you will be rewarded in the form of the points. These points are called Swagbucks SB. These are the steps. Join Swagbucks for free, earn points using different activities, and get free gift cards. What activities you need to undertake in order to earn Swagbucks points? The first one is shop online. Cashback shopping at over 1,500 retailers including Amazon, Walmart, Target, and Starbucks. Earn SP points for every dollar you spend, plus get access to the exclusive deals and coupons to your favorite retailers. So they have affiliated with some of the popular stores online, and all you need is to move to those platforms like Amazon using their links. If you use their links and purchase anything, now there is a chance that you will get back 5% to 10% of the price you have spent it there on those stores. Answer surveys. These are simple questionnaires like about your routine habits and your routine life, and all you need is to complete those questionnaires and you will earn Swagbucks points. Watch videos, watch entertaining videos and get free gift cards, earn SP points for watching playlists that we have put together just for you. Discover offers. Offers are free and paid. and some offers will give you less points while others give you more points. It all depends on the type of the offer. The offers that demand your credit card for a trial period will give you more than the offers which are totally free. But I suggest you to be cautious in this area. Let's suppose if you subscribe to a subscription of some TV company or something like that, but after a trial period they will charge you money. So keep an eye on your those dates and make a spreadsheet if you do not want to pay for that service. So always cancel your that subscription before the trial gets end. Search the web. Search SP points when you search the web using our Yahoo powered search engine. So just like you are searching on the Google using their search engine, and their search engine will powered by the Yahoo, and you will get the results in the form of the Yahoo. Play games. Get free cards for playing games. You can earn SP points when you make in-game purchases through our partners as GSN, or play our original free games and earn randomly. Mobile apps. Download your mobile apps and you will earn points. One more thing, you can also earn points by referring other people. And if you wanted to earn some handsome money with the Swagbucks, I suggest you to recruit people or recruit affiliates, and any point they will earn, you have a chance to earn up to 10% of their points. About do's and don'ts of the Swagbucks. So whatever activity you are doing in the Swagbucks, you need to follow their guidelines. Like for searching, you can set up your browser search engine to Swagbucks search. Use the search bar on the swagbucks.com and visit search.swagbucks.com. When using Swagbucks as your search engine, use it exactly the way you would on any other search website. So just use their search engine like you are using on Google. Do it naturally. What you cannot do, searching don'ts, search the web only to win SP points. Click on any links that you are not genuinely interested in. Use any bot or program that auto search for. So these are the guidelines you need to follow. If you don't follow that, they will definitely treat you as a spammer and they will ban you. Similar to this, there are other guidelines related to the surveys and the social media. Just need to read those guidelines carefully and follow those guidelines. How to convert your points? Once you have enough points in your account, you can convert those points for gift cards and PayPal money. The best thing for you is to purchase $5 Amazon gift card for 450 Swagbucks. By doing this, your Swagbucks per point value more than 1 cent each. You need at least 300 Swagbucks to redeem some of the lowest value gift cards. But there are tons of different gift cards or other rewards you can get. After logging to your account, go to Swag Store, then click to the gift and rewards card tab. Choose the gift card you want to redeem, click on the snag this and submit order. After this, check your email and confirm the order and wait for the email for a few days to arrive. Otherwise, you can also redeem your Swagbucks in the form of a cash via PayPal transfer once you reach 2500 Swagbucks point. How much money you can make from it? I have just given you an idea here, and based on my experience and after seeing different people's account, just look at the calculation. Let's do some quick calculation to see how much you can earn in a month if you're fairly active. 25 SP points per day for using their search engine. Let's suppose you use their search engine a day and it will give you an average of 25 SP points, Swagbucks points. And there are 30 days in a month. So your points would be 750 Swagbucks per month. One swag code at the value of 2 SP each per day into 30 days, 60 SP per month. Redeem one coupon every day, 7 SP per week into 30 days to 10 SP per month. Answer the daily poll every day for 1 SP into 30 days, 30 SP per month. Take 2 surveys per day at 50 SP into 30 days, 1500 SP per month. Refer 5 friends and they each earn 500 Swagbucks. It means 500 SP multiplied 5 friends, 2500 SP points, and you will earn 20% of their points. Play videos on the mobile app for 50 SP per day into 30 days is equal to 1500 SP per month. Watch videos on your desktop or laptop for 10 SP per day into 30 days multiple 300 SP per month. Play 2 games for 2 SP per day into 30 days 60 SP per month. So if you just do the math, that's equal to 4,910 Swagbucks point per month or $49.10. Their 100 points is equal to $1. So 4,910 points divided by 100 is equal to $49.10. And even this is true, the earning potential of this site is $40 to $60. Even if you just look at or do the math, calculator, they have paid over 339 million to its members. Though it seems a lot, but if you just do the math, like there are 18 million people, so each member have earned an average of $18.83. Now this is not a lot of money, and if you wanted to earn more income from the Swagbucks, there is one option, that is to recruit more people. If you have more affiliates, you have more recruit people, you have a high chance to earn money. Let's suppose you have 100 or even thousands of team, then there is a chance that you are earning $500, $750 or $1,000. But that requires a lot of effort. The best thing is to create your website or a blog, or create your YouTube channel, or promote your affiliate link on the social media. That's how you can gather people and recruit people using your affiliate link, and whatever they will earn, you have a chance to earn a 10% to 20% of their points. This is how you can increase your earning potential. At the end, Swagbucks is a legit website. If you wanted to start your journey, this would be the right place to start your first dollar and start your first income using this site. But keep in mind that this is just an extra income that you will earn from using this site. If you wanted to earn a full-time income, I have mentioned the link in the description box. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, don't forget to click the like button, and if you wanted to get the similar type of system, then don't forget to click the subscribe button as well. That's all for today. Thank you.